The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the ZTE Tempo X for Boost Mobile, guys. So this is my stepdad's phone right here. He got this phone yesterday afternoon at a Boost Mobile store. So this is what the phone looks like on the front. This is not an intro unboxing because this phone has already been activated and set up and all that. So it's a nice looking phone, you know. It's a budget phone, so it is what it is. So if you guys turn it to the back here, you guys will have the specs here. You guys will have a so that's what comes in the box is your ZTE Tempo X, the charger, USB 2.0 charging cable, battery. The battery is removable. That's some of the specs right there. A 5-inch display, TFT display, 2300 mAh battery, 3G, 4G LTE, 1.1 GHz quad-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, 1 GB of RAM, Android 7.1.1 Nougat, and the 5 megapixel rear, 2 megapixel front-facing camera there. So yeah, so that's what the specs on this phone are. Yeah, it's a low end phone, so it is what it is. So let's unbox this thing if I can get the thing out. So once you guys open the box, you guys will have the phone right there. Just find the phone right there. Nice looking phone, like I said. The screen protector is still on there. Around the front, you'll have your power button right there. It's a textured power button. Your power button's right there, and your volume buttons are above that. On the top of the Tempo X, you guys got a noise cancellation microphone there. On the left side, you have nothing. On the bottom, you'll have your charging port, your headphone jack, and your microphone. On the back of the Tempo X is your camera flash, camera and ZTE logo. Your speaker right down there. The battery is removable, so you can put an SD card in here and all that stuff. So, and you got a front-facing camera, earpiece, and all that. There's your screen there, the buttons for the new background and racing. So let's cut this phone on. So it says ZTE, powered by Android. So I sat back at this phone for $30 at a Boost Mobile store. So you know, yeah, it takes a while to boot up here. So just give this thing to boot. It is a nice looking phone. I do like the back of the phone. It looks very nice on the back. There's a Boost Mobile logo right there. 4G LTE, so that's good. The buttons do light up there. You guys got the time there. You guys got your lock screen there. You'll have your time, your notifications. You'll have shortcuts to the Google search to unlock the screen, and you'll have a shortcut to the camera there. So you got your thing there. You can pull down and get your notifications and shit. So if you guys want to unlock the phone, you just hold down and the phone will unlock. That's what the phone looks like. So like I said, this one has been activated and set up and everything. So this is you know, that's what the phone looks like when you guys get the phone. So you guys got your Boost mobile app supposed to be my Boost, but that hasn't been updated yet for whatever reason. You got the Google apps right here. You know, your standard Google apps. The Play Store, Google Duo there. You also got you have your weather thing and your Google search right there. You got a couple of games that they got on there. You got Candy Crush and shit, and just changing fucking up. So you got title there. I've been guessing these are recommended apps up here. So this is not actually downloaded. If you guys wanna, you know, check out the recommended apps. Just you guys disable that. So you guys got title there, Boost deals, your voicemail, caller ID, your Amazon, your tools folder. You guys got, you know, Boost 411, Uber, your Boost Mobile folder. You got Boost Mobile, Next Reddit, and the AirG chat thing. You got Facebook on here. You got tap apps like Boost Mobile, whatever. News Republic and Play phone. Keep scrolling over. It'll just scroll over and over. And you got shortcuts to your phone, your camera, calendar, messages, and in your Chrome browser. If you swipe up from the bottom, you guys will get access to your apps. You can also search for apps if you want. So you guys got One Mother, LG, Amazon Shopping, Boost 411, Boost Music, Boost Sound, which would be My Boost, Boost Deals Browser, Calculator, Calendar, Color ID, Camera, Chrome, Clock, Contacts, Downloads, Drive, Duo, Email, Facebook, File Manager, Gadget Guardian, Gallery, Gmail, Google, Instagram, Maps, Messages, and Messenger for Facebook, Music, News Republic, Next Radio, Phone, Google Photos, Play Movies and TV, Play Music, Play Store, Play Phone, Settings, Sound Recorder, Title, Uber, Video Player, Videos, Voice Search, Voicemail. That's a app that my stepdad downloaded. Then you got YouTube there, alright? So you do get a couple of bloatware apps on here. This is what your data looks like here. Let me make sure that there's no calls on here. So if you guys want to get to the call log, you just hit this. There's your dialer there, your standard dialer, nothing special about it. Here's the camera. The camera's not that great, and obviously it's dark, so there's your camera there. So I don't know how good the camera is. Camera's probably not that great. Like I said, you scroll down, you guys got your notifications. You got some bullshit here. You scroll down, you got your notifications. You got your brightness on top. You got your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, vibrate, or your sound profile. You got silent, vibrate, or sound. You got location, mobile hotspot, flashlight. See, flashlight. Airplane mode, auto rotate and sync. I think you can edit these if you want. So just that's pretty cool. Go to settings here. So you can you give suggestions on how to use the phone, like to protect your phone. Add Gmail, whatever. You got your Wi-Fi there, Bluetooth, mobile networks, hotspot, data usage, more, display, notifications, sound, apps, storage, battery, memory, like your RAM and stuff like that. Call settings, connect to PC, location, security, accounts, Google, language and input, navigation key. So you can change the thing from you can have recent apps or recent apps, home and back, or back, home, and recent apps. So you can change this if you want. I'll just leave it alone. You have backup and reset, date, time, accessibility, printing, system updates about phone. So the phone runs Android 7.1.1 Nougat OS, and it has the November 1st, 2017 security patch. So you click on the Android version, and you guys will get the Nougat logo here. So that's pretty cool. Back out of this. Let's go to storage. So you get 8 gigabytes of storage. That's the raw storage. It's about 6.10 gigabytes used. And you get about you get about, I say, about 2 gigabytes available to you, about 2 gigs. So yeah, so you don't get a lot of storage on this phone, but it is a it is a basic phone. So the cameras on this phone, it's 5 megapixels on the back right there with flash, and 2 megapixels on the front. You do get HD video recording on this phone. So let's just see what else is in the box. So you get the phone. You also get your battery. Battery is already in the phone, and you get your charger. Which I do like this charger. It's a nice charger. It's a white charger. It's a decent charger. It's okay. It's pretty nice. And it don't come with books or anything, I don't think. So that's how you get in the box there. So let me put this back in there. I'll be back. Alright guys, so that's the box of right there. You don't the only thing you get in the box is the phone, the charger, and the phone, the battery, the charger, and that's it. You don't get no books or nothing like that. I guess that's like a new thing now where Boost Mode's not including books or nothing, so that's pretty good. If you guys don't want to read that shit, my first impressions of the phone, it's a nice looking phone. It looks really nice on the back. It's it has a nice design on the back. The phone feels really nice. It's not too bad of a phone. It's a decent phone. Um, so there's the phone there. Nice looking phone. Not too bad. If you guys are looking for a cheap backup phone, the Tempo X is not. It's an okay option. It's not the best phone in the world. Obviously it's $30. I think it was on sale for like $50 off. So it's $30 right now. If you guys want to pick this phone up, not bad for $30. Phone looks very nice on the back. It looks like the ZTE Prestige on the front, in my opinion, but on the back it looks very nice. I do like the back a lot. And there is the phone, the ZTE Tempo X. This is the update from this original ZTE Tempo. So the specs on this thing are it's $30, so it is what it is, guys. It's definitely not worth 80, but for $30, it's not a bad backup phone. So, I like the fact that the back looks very nice. I like the back. I do. I like the fact that it has 7.1. I like the fact that it has micro SD card. And I like the fact that it takes HD videos, and that's pretty much it about the phone. It does have LTE. I don't know about Sprint Spark. That I don't know about LTE. It might have LTE Plus. I'm not sure about that. It does have LTE. I'm not sure if it's LTE Plus or not. It does have Sprint Spark, I have to say, because don't know about LTE Plus though. I'm not sure about that. Not a bad. It's not a bad little phone. 5-inch display there. 196 PPI there. 1.1 gigahertz quad core Snapdragon 210. 2200 mAh battery, SD card, Android Nougat 7.1, and yeah, other than that, man, this is your basic Android phone. Nothing to really get excited about it. So there it is, the ZTE Tempo X for Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.